Hi everyone, welcome back to WebTech tutorial. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to log into Telegram app on your mobile device. First, make sure you've downloaded the app on your device. Before starting, if you are not subscribed to our channel yet, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll be notified as soon as we post a new video. Tap open your Telegram app from the app list and as soon as it opens, tap on Start Messaging. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your phone number. That is the only way you can log into your Telegram account. Type in the phone number. After that, tap on the next button located at the bottom right side of the screen. Now an SMS with an activation code will be sent to your phone number. Just copy the code and paste the code right here and tap on the next button. And with the simple click, you'll be logged into your Telegram account on your mobile device. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback. I'll be back again with more tutorial soon. Thank you for watching.